depressed. But look how cute. I kind of look like the Pope. It is about to be my 27th birthday. And girl, I've been feeling a little bit depressed. You hate to see it. My way of fighting back is forcing myself to do something for my birthday. I'm going to have a birthday brunch. It's going to be at my house because I want to like cook it, and I think that would just be like really fun. I want to make a digital invitation, even though I've already invited everyone, and everyone that's coming like already knows where I live. This is just me being extra because girl, it's fun. It's fun to be extra. I want to hand make everything, decorate my house a little, clean, and also give myself a little bit of a refresh. I'm trying to go into 27 fresh. Turning 27 does mean I'm closer to 30, and I cannot stomach that thought right now. Don't kick me while I'm down. I beg you. This year is a low buy. Anything I want to decorate with or anything I want to like make like thank you or whatever, it has to be things I already own. Let's get into it. I want to make invitations and little place cards for whatever we're cooking. I have so many like stationery products that I'm just like, girl, now is the time. Like, what are we waiting for? I went on Pinterest. I found these two really cute ones that I want to take inspiration from. Let's just get into it. Look how cute these like colors and patterns are. This is good. This is a great start. Like the photo, I think I just kind of want to do like multiple layers. These two patterns mixing together are just so cute, like the blue stripes and then the blue flowers. Part of me wants to get another paper and write on it so I can just paste it on top because I think that would be cool. Yeah, maybe I'll make it a little smaller. Okay. I'm gonna put like wear dress code just like in case anyone's like nervous. I don't know. I think I will color like an outline here. You know what? I'm just gonna do this one. I don't care. Okay? I don't care. It does kind of pop more against this. I did cover up where it is and when it is and blah, 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 because I need my privacy in these trying times. There is this like big open space at the bottom here because I'm annoying. I think I'm gonna draw like a little French toast. The invitation is done, and do I kind of feel like I lost the vision and I just kept adding more and more to it? No, I don't feel like that at all. Honestly, I think it is very cute. It's very fun. My word of the year this year was whimsy, and to me, this is like whimsy. Adding whimsy back into things where whimsy is gone. Girl, whatever. Okay, now that that's done, I think I have finalized the menu. Girl, I sound like I'm like, actually, this is super casual. Like, there's only going to be like 9 or 10 of us. It's just like a few of my friends. Like, it's nothing crazy. But I want to make little like place cards of like what's in everything. I had some lunch. I have a Coke Zero, and we're gonna do this. I have just finished all of the little placement cards. Oh, I think they look so cute. Tons of pattern, tons of color, which again, whimsy. Okay, let me show you them because they look so effing cute. They even look so cute with the invitation. I drew little stars on them. Some of them have descriptions like the egg bites and the extras. And then I will also put a description on the salad once I choose what salad I want. But look how cute. All the washi tape. I may have to do something a little extra to these to make them stand up, but girl, that's okay. I'll do it. Now that this is done, what else I need to do? Grocery shop, refresh on my looks, clean, and decorate. Okay, so just like 5 or so more things. Hey, I will say this, even if no one cares, I care. This is my freaking birthday. Yeah. You know what? Fine. I'm going to do my eyebrows and then I'm going to cut my hair today. Same day. I'm going to start with my eyebrows, pluck, trim, dye, and then we'll go spend some time in the bathroom together and cut off some of my hair. Yes. Okay. I think they are looking good. I don't know. I feel like I really do need to go to a professional because my eyebrows are never ever even. And I think it may be how I pluck them and cut them and dye them. But who knows? Like really, who's to say? I have cut my hair so many times on my channel that I'm just going to speed run this, but also let it be known that it will look way worse before it gets any better. I can't even say better, but mildly okay. Okay, let's get into it. I think it actually looks really good. Last time I did this, it kind of turned out a little bit, not horrible, but it didn't turn out exactly what I was like hoping for. But I think this looks good. My hair is frizzy now from brushing it. Hopefully tomorrow she'll be a little less frizzy and more settled, and we'll get a fuller picture of exactly how my haircut turned out. Feeling very refreshed for my 27th birthday. It's a new year of life. Let me show you how much I cut. I did just like let it fall into my sink. And if you think that's gross, I agree with you, but I did not have a better method, even though like now I could probably think of a few ways that would have been better, but I'll just show you. Look at this big clump of hair in my sink. I think it was just mostly dead ends. As promised, it is time to do a big clean. I'm just gonna try to kind of like speed run it. I want to get to like the decorating and all of that, but I want this to be clean first. Okay, let's get into it. Oh my god, wait, actually, here's my hair. I think it looks great. It feels new, it feels fresh, and that's all I really was asking for, so we're good. done cleaning. Don't want to do too much because I don't feel like it. This is the one I was really avoiding. So after this, it's all up. How am I being extra this time? I have decided, because it's my birthday, everyone has to do what I say. While everyone is eating, I am forcing everyone to play 4 rounds of 4 questions of trivia. So currently I'm like crafting my questions and my answers. I was like, wow, this is actually a lot of work goes into this. Who would have thought? I already have the teams I want. Teams of 2, but 1 team of 3. I'm going to make everyone's paper where they write their answers and put their team name on it. I have like little stickers and some of my like washi tape to put on there to make it like cute and fun. I was thinking I need a prize for the winning team. I don't want to give junk. And I was like, what is something someone can use? My final answer is Trader Joe's Chili Oil Crunch. That is the most perfect universal gift. I think anyone would be happy with it. Anyhow. The team answer cards are done. I even trimmed them down to be like a better size. We have the 5 foot and under team. Hope no one finds that offensive. We have the Wasian team. They're all different colors. So pink team, purple team, the Jeremys, blue team, and then last team is the orange team, Olive Lovers. My friend has a cat named Oliver, and so I think that's a really cute play on words, and I think she'll love that. Olive Lovers, Olivers, you know, whatever. I'm really, really excited. I think everyone will be like, girl, what? We came here to eat and you're forcing us to play a game. I have to finish my salad cards. I'm just gonna make them really quick. It's not gonna be anything crazy. I am just sitting here editing and I realized that I did not show anything else with the trivia, and just like really quickly wanted to go over it because it is so cute. Everyone really liked my questions and stuff. Again, I had to do a lot of research. I called this stories trivia, but it was not about me. It was like real trivia. 4 rounds of 4 questions. 1 minute for each question. Round 1, general knowledge. These are the questions. You can pause and read. I won't make you do it. Here are the answers for that. Round 2, pop culture. Round 2, answers. Round 3, Tory trivia. Again, not about me directly. This is just like things that I like Hannah Montana, Dr. Pepper. Answers to those. Round 4, category is you better work. Answers to that. After that, we totaled up the counts and the winners and blah, 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 whatever. Highly recommend. Everyone really liked the categories. So like, I was like, oh my God, yes, I killed it. Okay, back to the vlog. I actually don't have enough streamer to do the rest of what I was hoping to do, but honestly, I'm kind of glad because, girl, this looks, okay, it does look, it does look a little bad, but it's cute, it's whimsical. I think this one looks a little bit better, which is funny because I did that one first, so I should have learned. The table is all good to go. I know this looks a little janky, but it works, and that is more than I can ask for. I cannot wait to wake up and cook for 10 people. It is time. I guess I'm going to get my makeup ready first. I don't know. Also, my roommate last year went to the south of France and she got us all a gift. And let me show you. I kind of look like the Pope. Isn't this so cute? Anyways, quick makeup. And then we'll be off to cooking. Yay, they're not usually this big. We got 2 packs. Okay, this is my outfit. It's kind of crazy. I want color. I want pattern. I've been trying to mix patterns a lot lately, so this is it. I'm like out of breath because we are in like the middle of cooking. Gotta run. Hell
Hey y'all, welcome back to our channel. Oh yeah. Yes. Happy birthday.